Come, get in before my neighbor sees you.
Hey, thanks for calling me out, man.
Oh man, I'm dying in here. The air quality is so bad. My lungs are killing me.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Today's special, here we go. UV filtration system. This thing is gonna make you see the world through your lungs, man. You're gonna breathe fresh air all the time. But hey, you don't wanna break the bank? I got your quick fix right here. What'll it be, man? Come on, I don't got all day.
That looks good, man. I think I need that UV filtration.
All right, pleasure doing business with you, sir.